guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good, and in today's video I'm gonna share clean girl makeup routine for college going girl. Just in 10 minutes you're gonna look very presentable, polished, fresh, and very put together. Can you see my face? Trust me, it was not looking like this before. I've used few products, done a little bit of enhancement, and got this glowing natural looking makeup. And if you're a college going girl who prefers clean girl makeup routine, want to do this clean girl makeup quickly with affordable product, today I'm gonna share step by step how you need to follow every step and what products you should go for this clean girl makeup routine. This makeup look will gonna look very effortless but very polished at the same time. And clean girl makeup routine is not about covering your skin, it's not about full coverage, not about full glam, but it's about healthy looking skin and a little bit of enhancement of your natural features, which looks real, which looks natural, glowy. Let's quickly start the makeup. So before we jump into makeup, let me tell you, clean girl makeup always starts with skincare. In clean girl makeup, you'll always see the skin looks very hydrated, very clean, very natural, and it just looks like it's a natural glow. I'm using Bella Skin, and this is my current favorite moisturizer. Do not use thick moisturizer, so use a lightweight but hydrating moisturizer. Non-negotiable for everyone, whether you're teenager, college going girl, office going girl. Sunscreen is very important. I'm using this water texture sunscreen from Dot & Key. पिक अ सनस्क्रीन जिसमें विटामिन सी हो और नाइसिनामाइड और हाइड्रेटिंग इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो कि आपकी स्किन को और ज़्यादा ग्लो दे. लाइक दिस वन. कैन यू सी हाउ माई स्किन इज लुकिंग आफ्टर पुटिंग सनस्क्रीन? Such a nice sunscreen, and do not forget to apply it on your neck. I've already applied it. Now I'm going to leave this skincare product so that वो अच्छी तरीके से absorb हो जाए मेरी skin. You don't need to quickly apply your foundation or skin tint, whatever you're using as your makeup. Just let your skincare set onto your face and gets absorbed very nicely. ठीक है, 2-3 seconds हो गए हैं. Now for your makeup base, you need to go for a BB foundation or you can go for a BB cream, CC cream. This type of product will gonna give you very natural looking skin. ये आपकी skin को even out करेंगे, and at the same time it will not give you that cakey foundation wala finish, and that's what we need for clean girl makeup. So I'm gonna use this Lakme Absolute Luminous Skin Tint, and I'm gonna ditch my foundation. If you have any CC cream, BB cream, or any other tint which works for you, you can go for that. You don't need to use only this one, but I'm using it these days and I'm really loving. Actually इसको मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, but earlier I was using the wrong shade, but अभी मैंने इसमें अपना perfect shade लिया है, which is a warm beige. So I'm gonna use this skin tint, और ये बहुत ज़्यादा natural भी लगता है. This product is not about coverage. If you're someone who wants coverage, this is not for you. But if you're someone who wants that glowy dewy finish and you don't have a major issue like dark blemishes, acne scars, you can go for it. Basically, if you're okay with light coverage and want very natural looking base product which can evens out your skin very quickly, at the same time doesn't feel like any makeup product. So no heavy foundation for this clean girl makeup routine. This product is very lightweight. It can make your foundation look very dewy if you're using matte foundation, or if you want to add that dewiness into your foundation, you can definitely apply this before your foundation. You can mix it with your foundation. So I feel this is a very nice multi-purpose product. So whatever left on this applicator, I'm going to apply all. Now I'm lightly gonna blend this. I really like using my beauty blender to blend my base product, but I'm not using that right now because its coverage is already very light. If I use beauty blender, it will eat some of the more coverage. It's not that you cannot use beauty blender with this product, you can, but beauty blender absorbs a little bit of product and this has very light coverage, that's why I'm saying it. But still you can use beauty blender. I also use beauty blender sometimes. It depends on my mood actually. Can you see how instantly it has changed my dull face into a brightening, fresh, glowing skin? I really like this product, and it can be the everyday product for dry or normal skin who hates putting heavy foundation and loves something which looks like exactly your skin but better. Now if you don't have major darkness, you can avoid using concealer and you can just go with your CC cream or the tint that you are using for this makeup look. But if you want a little bit of coverage, you can go for a concealer. I'm gonna use this Maybelline concealer in the shade Light to highlight my under eyes. Also, I have a little bit of darkness over here, so maybe few dots around my mouth, side of my nose and forehead. Make sure you're not putting too much of concealer. It's not recommended for this clean girl makeup routine. So I'll apply a dot here. here, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे नोज के साइड में, and then थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna use same brush and I'll blend this concealer. Done with the concealer, I'm done with my base. Now to add life to my face, I'm gonna use cream blush. और मैंने cream blush ही इसलिए pick किया है because it gives you beautiful flush of color. At the same time, your skin doesn't look cakey. It gives you natural color and your skin glows very nicely when you use cream blush. And this one is from Insight Cosmetics in the shade 04. So I've taken a little bit and this blush is very pigmented. So बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं apply करना है. Take a dot on your finger, blend it slightly like this. Can you see ये कितना ज़्यादा pigmented है? Now I'll place it on the high cheek points and you need to blend it upward. Do not blend it downward, otherwise your face will look very droopy. So just apply on your high cheek points, blend it toward your temples. Can you see how natural this flush is looking? And Clean Girl Makeup Routine is all about fresh, natural looking flush. So yeah. But we are not done with the blush yet. अभी हम एक और blush add करेंगे for that fresh finish. Now heavy powder is a big no for Clean Girl Makeup Routine. You need little bit of powder. So I'm using this loose powder from Miss Claire. It's a banana powder. Can you see how much I've taken? A very bit of loose powder. I'll take it on this fluffy brush. I'll remove excess and we will lightly dab it like this. So that जो हमने थोड़ा बहुत कंसीलर लगाया है वो भी सेट रहे अपनी जगह पर और मूव ना करे इजीली. बस इतना ही पाउडर लगेगा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. मेरा स्किन ऑलरेडी ड्राई है तो मैं ज़्यादा पाउडर नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. Now one more blush. ये पाउडर ब्लश है. This is the duo of peach and coral shade. It instantly makes my skin look so much fresh. Little bit of peachy powder blush and then just lightly apply it on your high cheek points and take it slightly upward to your temples. Instantly adds that beautiful flush that we all need in summer. Now thoda sa sun kissed finish ke liye I'm taking this coral shade and applying it on my nose, chin and a little bit on my forehead. That's it. To add a little bit of warmth in our face, we can go for a muted brown bronzer. And this LA Colors bronzer is really good. Available on Nykaa. I always face problem to open this. I don't know what packaging is this. So I'm gonna add that warmth on my face. Apply it on hollows of your cheeks and on your jawline. Forehead. Now for eyebrows, just brush your eyebrows upward and fill it slightly. So I'm not doing my eyebrows as I've already filled them and I have very fine and thin eyebrows, so मैं usually पहले कर लेती हूँ. Whenever we do tight line, it instantly makes our eyes look bigger. So you can pick any kohl pencil. ठीक है, मैंने ऊपर भी इसको टाइट लाइन कर दिया. Then upper lash line पे मैं टाइट लाइन कर रही हूँ. Can you see this eye and then this eye? थोड़ा सा मैंने upper lash line पे लगाकर उसको smudge कर लिया for that soft smoky eye. And now I'll put mascara. For my lips, I'm gonna use this nude shade. It's a very tiny lipstick. I'm gonna use this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Dark Chocolate. I'll just apply a little bit in inner corners of my lips and center में ऊपर की तरफ थोड़ा सा to make them look bigger. So this is how I apply it and then just blend it using your fingers. It contours your lips. This is Renee in the shade Pink Pow. I guess, yes. Very pretty gloss. बस quantity बहुत कम है. I'm going to use a little bit of more powder wherever I don't want shine. And this is the final Clean Girl makeup look. Fresh looking skin, soft blush and glossy lip. To be honest, it looks very effortless but still polished, fresh, perfect for college or if you have presentations or every classes. And also remember, Clean Girl makeup routine is not about hiding your skin. It's all about enhancing your natural features and looking very confident. And I really hope you like this routine and do comment down below if you're a clean girl, makeup girl or a glam makeup girl. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.